Words of Advent, Day 5. Counselor. Imagine a counselor who knows everything about you. Every single detail. Might be a bit scary, actually. But what if that person was purely good, wise, and only wanted the best for you? And in light of this knowledge could give you pinpoint advice, sage wisdom at every point, at every decision. While this would be a dream come true, humanly speaking, in this word from Isaiah, we learn that there's a person who understands you completely and yet loves you with an everlasting love. This Messiah Savior that is mysteriously mentioned is the one coming into the world to bring all that it needs, a peace that never ends. This Hebrew word means wise, or can be a king's consult or advisor. It's actually quite a challenging word along with the word wonderful. It's more of a state than what a person does, but they are wise inwardly and outwardly. When combined with the word wonderful, which is a term used only for God, we get a glimpse into who this shadowy Messiah would be. And further, in that comment in Isaiah, he says, this is the mighty God. We'll talk more about that later. So like in many places when we grapple with ancient texts, we find more mystery. Yet this is part of the wonder of the biblical story, that we can't fit our understanding neatly in a box. It is Jewish meditation literature. It makes us chew, ponder, think, and puzzle. Yet as we do that, we can step back and remember. The Messiah makes Gandalf look unwise, Yoda a mere little green man, and Dumbledore simply a kind old wizard. Or think of the wisest person you know, and then compare them to Jesus and his story. He is so far beyond that person. And in this amazing passage, he is the fulfiller of prophecy. Like the people in his day, we can be astonished and amazed. Mary, did you know? Your baby boy, your son, is the all-wise God.